implement your New Year resolutions in 3 simple steps. Guaranteed. DNA United wishes you a very happy and prosperous New Year 2010 and welcomes you on a short journey on how to implement your New Year resolutions in 3 simple steps. Step 1. The first step to start the implementation process is to write down all your New Year resolutions on a piece of paper in simple words and short and positive sentences. For example, if you wish to be in command of your angry outbursts, you can say, I am a peaceful being from this day forth, or I love and accept myself. Once you have written them down, record them on your phone, MP3 player, or any other recording media you use, and keep listening to them over and over again as many times in a day as possible. Listen to your New Year resolutions as you walk, jog, or travel in buses or trains. Step 2. Whenever you find yourself alone in any room, repeat your New Year resolutions out loud. Give your words a tune or a musical intonation as you repeat them aloud. Repeating anything aloud in a tune continuously implants the words in our subconscious mind, and soon the words keep playing automatically in our thoughts. Step 3. As soon as you find the New Year resolutions being repeated automatically in your thoughts, start incorporating visual images. Ponder over them silently and keep smiling as you visualize them. As you silently contemplate, explore and examine the value these resolutions will add to your life. Practice them at every opportunity. And raise yourself up if you happen to stumble, using that experience as a stepping stone. One easy way to silently contemplate is to create a vision board with pictorial representations of all that you need to fulfill your resolutions. Look at that vision board as soon as you wake up in the morning and let it be the last thing you see as you drift asleep. Thank you for your time to view this presentation and wish you all the best in manifesting your resolutions. Please feel free to convey this message to all your friends who would like to implement New Year resolutions effortlessly in their lives. DNA United expects to keep sharing interesting ideas with you regularly. If you would like to invite Rajan Ramchandani for a seminar at your office, club, or group, please contact him by phone or email at your convenience. Thank you very much for your time.